Hello everybody and welcome to Nas Food Corner.
In this video, we are going to see how to prepare hot and sour soup. The ingredients required are butter, carrot, cabbage, boiled chicken, egg, cornflour slurry, pepper powder, red chili flakes, ketchup, sriracha sauce, soy sauce, lemon juice, chicken stock, coriander leaves and salt. Firstly, melt some butter in a wok. Saute carrots and cabbage for a minute. Add the sauces and chili flakes, mix well and cook for 2 minutes. Boil some chicken with pepper and salt. Save the chicken stock, and to the chicken stock add 2 cups of water and add it to the carrots and cabbage. Add salt and mix well. Add lemon juice and pepper powder. Mix and bring it to a boil. Now add the shredded chicken and continue to mix. Add cornflour slurry and stir immediately. As the soup begins to thicken, add 1 whisked egg, keep stirring and turn off the flame. Garnish with coriander leaves and serve.
If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.